Got it here, new knife by Seiko T 2021. This is so cool. This is a take apart, kind of like a field knife. Yep, that's what it's called, field tape, I guess. Anyways, what's so special about it? Just like a simple pocket knife, not too big. But as you can see, this little button right here. Let's check this out. So you push it and pull it forward. That's it. And it will take apart your knife. Be very careful right here, because now you have an open blade. Yeah, wow, that's so crazy. Let's close it back up. So you can clean it up. Oh look, it actually came off quite a bit. There you go. Wow. So in case you got it in a sand, in a mud, in a dirt, and you had to pretty much work, look, there's a little bit of oil. You can clean it up, oil it up, whatever you have to do to make this knife very functional and like protected from the elements. And you can beat it up again. So how do we put it back in? Just put it in one of these holes and the second one and push it up. Wow, this is so simple. And just lock it in. That's it. And then just a simple regular knife with the flicker over here in the back. I love these knives. It's so satisfying to flick the knife out like that to open it. And now let's look at this close up. A really thick blade over here. Obviously we need it if you're gonna be taking it to the field and beating it up. And there's all the burning over here. Trying to show you so that we can see. There you go. Very nice. And obviously it's gonna be sitting there without any wiggle because it's a good quality knife. So one more time, I would say keep it open whenever you want to take it apart. So just push it to the side and forward. It's gonna remove it, and then kind of this one you have to push it down and it will come off. That would be the best way to do it. And then lock it in and push it down into this hole. And there's a second hole and a notch over here. That's it. You don't have to do any kind of spinions, and then hold it tight, and all you have to do is just push it back and forward. That's so cool. That's it. That's amazing. This is so advanced. Next level take apart knife. Again, you're gonna have to beat it up, make it dirty, clean it up. Look how fast that is. Boom. Boom. 3 pieces. Cleaned it up, oiled it up, lock it in so it's safe. Hold it tight. Nice. Close it. You have a nice, clean, smooth knife again. That's beautiful. Love it.